In this video I'd like to talk how I replaced this old incandescent light bulb with this LED. The story begins, I was visiting my parents and this is my father's battery lamp, and he always insists on his old things. He had to replace this old light bulb. He went to the local store because he don't use internet, and they told him that they don't have anymore this old KPR bulb. Of course it would be cheaper to buy a new battery lamp, but imagine that you have this old bulb in your, I don't know, frigidaire or sewing machine or inside somewhere in your car, which is not so easy to replace the whole machine. So how can I replace this with this? It is important that it has the same voltage as this old light bulb. I bought these on eBay, 50 pieces for $4. So this is my imagination. And LED looks like this. This is polarized, so you have plus and minus. You can connect only one way. What is important that they have the same voltage. Well, it says on this bulb 2.2, but it works with the 2 AA batteries, so it's 3 volts. It is very hard to see. There is very small plus sign and minus sign on this LED. So this works only on if you connect wires properly. I 3D printed this part here, and when I place the LED inside it, this is the 3D part. The positive side has to be blended down, and then I soldered some wire to it. And since this part has to be metallic, I placed a screw. It is important that positive and negative side don't touch each other. And these are my design steps in Fusion 360. And this is how it looks like. So here you can see this channel where you have to blend down the positive side of the LED. Let's see that in cross section. So here you can see again that channel I left for the twisted positive side of the LED, and there is a hole. You can see from the other side there will be a screw, and this is the view of this 3D printed part in slicer, so you can see here how will it be printed. And after printing, and actually now it looks like this. So this is the LED. The positive side goes down. I soldered some wire on it, and on the other side there is a screw. It will touch the bottom part of this holder. As you can see, this is not perfectly universal solution, because I adjusted this 3D printed part to fit in this holder of the battery lamp. So this means you have to modify this depend of the place where will you use it. I just want to give you the idea how can be this solved. The STL file you can download from my website, there is the link. And don't forget, maybe you have to modify it a little bit, depend where will you use it. And also don't forget that the LED and the replaced bulb must have same voltage. Otherwise you have to play with the resistors or connect the LEDs in serial. But it's simply a solution if the LED and the replaced bulb has the same voltage. Please write me in the comments if you have some better idea how to replace old bulbs, because I have in several places these old incandescent bulbs and I would like to replace them with LEDs. So far this is my best solution, but just a second. I almost finished this video and actually I found on eBay that this type of bulbs exist in LED version too. But look at this. $3 for one piece. I mean, these LEDs which I use, you can buy 50 pieces for $2.50, so it is much cheaper. So I'm very happy with my solution, and also I have very good practice with 3D printing because I'm quite new on this area yet. Let's continue now. Feel free to write me in the comments if you have a better idea. Thank you for watching.